Well, histogram chart is a common tool for data analysis in the business world. A simple example of such a chart is a histogram that shows the distribution of scores obtained in a test. You can easily draw a histogram chart to see, for example, how many students scored less than 35. How many students scored between 35 and 50? And how many students scored between 50 and 60? And so on until the end. Suppose we have a data set here. This data set contains the scores of 40 students in a particular test, and the highest score is 100. Now we want to draw a histogram chart for this data. So first we select the desired area, and from the Insert tab in the Chart section, we select the histogram chart. Now a histogram has been drawn for us. Now we can right-click on the chart and apply changes to it by selecting the Format Axis option. In the opened window, all the options related to the chart axis are displayed. The By Category option is used when we have textual and repeated categories and we want to know the number or set of categories. The Automatic option automatically decides the bins that should be created in the histogram. For example, in our chart, this option has decided to create 4 bins. The Bin Width option determines the dimensions of the bins. For example, if we enter the number 10 here, you will see that all the bins are grouped 10 by 10. From the number of bin option, we can determine how many bins to have. Then, automatically a chart containing the same number will be shown to us. For example, if we enter the number 7 here, the chart will be displayed like this. The Overflow bin option is used when we want all the values above a certain value to be placed in a group in the chart. For example, we want to know how many students have received a score higher than 75. We can enter the number 75 as the overflow bin value, and now you will see it shows us like this. The underflow bin option has the same structure as overflow bin, but in reverse. So, if we want to know how many students have received a score lower than 40, we enter the number 40 as the value and the chart is displayed like this.